mag-file kung employed from Q1 to Q2, then registered self-employed for Q3 to Q4. Mixed income earner po ba yung annual na ifa-file? The answer is yes, mixed income earner po ang pag-file mo starting ng Q3 at pati annual income tax return. At lahat ng future filing mo ay dapat as a mixed income earner. Pag tayo naman ay mixed income earner, yung quarter 1 to quarter 3, yung income lang po natin as a self-employed ang ifa-file natin. Sa annual income tax return, doon po pagsasamahin ang income natin as employee at ang income natin as a self-employed. Ang basis po natin sa employment income natin ay yung binibigay po ng employer natin every year na BIR Form 2316, Certificate of Compensation Payment.
You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.